How to fix a broken heart. You can't. Like glass. Once broken, little pieces remain missing forever. Oh, gear programming. How could you do this to me, C#? Anyways, howdy, everybody. I have been procrastinating a lot lately, a lot of procrastinating but no crying. Just sitting and staring at the freaking wall in my room. Big, ugly, white wall. A wall that becomes dark when night falls. And it makes me swim, all alone, in a pool of darkness, and I feel like darkness is slowly pulling me under. So I yell for help, but no one is there to hear it. Alright. So today's goal is to make our player's home, implement pan and zoom mechanics, and make our player move at home, and jump when running through the freaking fields. So I made a new scene in this terrain. This will be a player's home. The script looks like this. And freaking yes, I don't know what anything here means because I copy-pasted everything from the internet. But I know it's messing with our camera because it can zoom when two fingers pinch the screen, or it can move our camera when a finger joyfully plays with the display. Now let me show you how everything works together. Hit play, and here we go. We can rotate, I can pivot, it's whirling because it's working. By the way, it's not even circling, it's just moving through space. The freaking camera is moving through space, yeah. It is a good thing that everything works because if it doesn't, I will just spend time even more procrastinating. Hell yeah. Anyways, let me show you how the zooming Somalia zoom works. But first, let's connect my phone to Unity. And here we go, this is me saying hi from my phone. It's working because I use my fingers to move the screen, but sadly you cannot see the real thing, my freaking fingers boy. And now that you saw the magic of the working code, I just need to make our player move. It's just laying here, doing nothing, procrastinating, just like me. And boom, yeah. Now it's done with sitting around because I added this joystick, and now, our player can move. Be free, our friend. It can't fall off the screen because I made this scene a living prison. EasyMath.clamp, and this place is a place where he can't and won't escape. Even the freaking zoom is under control. Now to this thing, jumping boy. Our player is jumping, and it is all easy for him. He can't fly, float, or swim to the sky because he can, from now on, only produce cries. Our player will be grounded in an eternal loop where tears will become his fuel, life without hope will be his strength, and his lifeless life will slowly fill the void where nothing will become, and emptiness shall fill everything. But that's a story for the next time, and this shit worked for now just fine.